In today's video, I'm going to teach you use clear vocal instructions in the lyrics prompt. Suno responds best when your lyrics clearly tell it how to sing, not just what to sing. Think of your lyrics as both words and stage directions. By giving explicit vocal tags right inside the lyrics, you guide the performance, tone, and energy, so the output lands much closer to what you imagined. Place short, bracketed directions at the start of each section to define the voice you want. For example, you could write verse, normal voice, to keep things grounded and conversational. When you hit the hook, switch to chorus, falsetto voice, and add a line like sing in soft falsetto, high register, airy tone, so the model knows to lift into that light, floating feel. If you want intensity later, a bridge could read bridge in a strong falsetto, followed by high-pitched emotional falsetto vocals to push the expression and range. Keep these tags concise and consistent from section to section. Repeat them wherever that quality should continue so there's no guesswork. Within the lyrics themselves, use clear vocal descriptors to reinforce your tags. Words such as falsetto, high register, airy tone, soft high voice, head voice, and light vocal style help the system choose breathiness, brightness, and placement. The more precise your language, the more precisely the vocal will respond. Avoid mixed signals like asking for gritty low belts in the same line as soft high voice. If you need contrast, separate it by sections using new tags. You'll get even better results by pairing those lyric directions with a focused style prompt. In the style or genre box, include phrases that anchor the overall vocal approach, like pop song with falsetto vocals, R&B with male falsetto, emotional falsetto chorus, or high-pitched expressive vocals. This tells Suno what kind of performance to aim for before it even reads your lyrics, so the two layers work together. The style prompt sets the lane, and the lyric tags steer within it. If the result comes back too breathy, try swapping airy tone for head voice or simply falsetto without airy. If it's not light enough, emphasize soft, high voice, or light vocal style. Small wording changes can make a big difference. Combine clear vocal tags in the lyrics with a supportive style prompt, and you'll consistently get choruses that lift, verses that sit naturally, and bridges that soar exactly the way you want.